Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to create a reusable component in UiPath. So we often face situations where we need to reuse a particular type of workflow in many different projects, and we often end up copy pasting that workflow to reuse that in different projects. And to avoid that, we can create a reusable component in UiPath, and let's see how we can do that. So to create a reusable component, we are going to create a new project of type library. So let's do that, and let's give some name. Let's say demo library. So let's wait until the project loads completely. Yeah. So for our demo, we are going to create a simple addition of two numbers workflow, which will just take two numbers as an input and then give us the result of the addition of that two number as an output. So let's do that. So let's change this name to a bit different. So let's give add two numbers. So yeah, let's open this and let's take a sequence and let's create two arguments for the input. So in underscore first number of type integer. Let's create our second input argument. And let's change this again to integer. And also we create our result out as a out argument, so that we can provide the result back to the main workflow. So score result. So let's change this again to integer and change the direction to out. So yeah, let's change this name also, numbers. So yeah, let's just take a simple assign for to perform the operation. So out result equals to in first number plus in underscore second number. What was the error? Okay, I guess mistyped plus with equal to, yeah, this should be fine now. Let's, okay, yeah. So basically our basic code is done. So this workflow is we need to pass two arguments in this workflow. One is the first number, second is second number, and it will give us the result as output as the addition of these two numbers. So now let's create the library. So for that we need to publish this, and we need to publish the here we need to publish that into a particular folder. So we need to provide a custom URL, which will be a local URL. So let's create a different folder called my library, and let's go into that. Also let's copy this path and select the folder, and now we have to publish it. Yeah, so it is compiling the activities and it will also generate that. Yeah, so as you see, the library is successfully published at this location. Let's open this. Yeah, so as you see, the package is generated here, and now we can use that in any project wherever we want. So let's see how we can use this, how we can import this in our projects. So yeah, so for that, let's create a project again, this time in a simple process. So let's give this name test library. Okay, I guess its name is already there. Use library. Yeah, so let's create. Yeah, so to use that, first we need to import, we need to install that package. So for that, we need to first create the source. So for creating that package source, we need to give here we need to paste that same path where we have created a, where we have exported our library. And now we need to give some familiar name like custom library, custom lib, and let's click add. So if you see here, we can find, you can find the a different like package name here, and if you see the package which we have published is also available here. So now what we can do, we can just install this package as usual, and let's see what we can do after that. Yes, so let's now use that. So create a sequence and now search for add. Yeah, so if you see, our same library what we have created is available here. So let's take it here. So as you remember that this is accepting two input arguments and giving us the result. So let's try this, try running this activity. So let's pass something value. So let's say for the first number we pass 5, and for the second we pass like again 2, and let's create a out variable. Let's say result, and to see the results, let's take a message box. Let's do that string. So yeah, so first number is 5, second number is 2, so we should get 7 in the results. So let's try running this. Run this file. Yeah, so as you see, we are able to see the result 7. So our library is working. So that's how you can create library reusable component for n number of different workflows. Either it is a login application workflow or different logical thing which you are using in different projects. So you can create a reusable component for any number of workflows, and you can use that in many different projects. So thank you guys, and stay tuned, and I am going to upload many different tutorials regarding the UiPath. So yeah, stay tuned and bye bye.